Hey, welcome to Projection Arena. So, as we are entering into the new year, I would like to suggest a few stocks uh, which would be multi-baggers for the coming months. Happy New Year in advance, and uh, let's go with Kajaria first. So, I'm going by sector-wise. So, this is uh, this is not specific sector specific. This is related to the how can we trade on a trending stock. So there will be a strong momentum to the upside, and we do not know when to enter and how to stay with the stock. So for that, as earlier, we just have to switch on the Bollinger Band, and you can initially start with price action by drawing this trend line, and you can see initially it went in this momentum, and then it shifted gears and it's moving much faster than earlier. So Kajaria Ceramics is related to building products, so it is mostly into construction. So uh, this will be an good stock if you want to trade with the momentum. So this is just the momentum stock. So you never know where it will end up. So we just have to ride with the trend. So so if you see this is the 20 moving average, and the upper and lower bounds are the standard deviation, and you can see those. These are the default settings that I've used. Length is 20 and standard deviation is 2. So this is 20 MA and standard deviation of 2, plus 2 and minus 2. So you can see it is not even going below moving average. So 20 MA is almost monthly moving average because we have 20 trading sessions in a month on an average. So this stock has been continuously touching the 20 moving average and going up from there. So what you can do now, probably from the next time when touches the 20 MA, then you can keep on riding with the stock because this is a very strong stock, and this is one of the high rated stock. The construction starts picking up. So, so similarly, I would also like to show Deepak Nitrates. Or now we actually have chemical stocks. So this is majorly diversified. You can see that here. So Deepak Nitrate is like since even not even after COVID, before COVID, the chemical space since 2018 started booming like anything because China has banned the chemicals which are causing harmful polluted air into the polluted gases into the air. So they stopped, but in India, it is keep on increasing. Uh, with regulated pollution and norms, and these chemical space has started picking up momentum since 2018. Now, after COVID, this has given some opportunity, and it has actually uh, like even uh, around was trading around 369. Now it came to around 941. You can see such a big rally even in the uh, during the COVID times. This was the stock which has hit all-time high in May itself, and then it never stopped from there. It keep rising from here, and this is the strong momentum. And it, until even international countries like European or American countries are actually banning the chemical related production. So India is in best picture in chemical space. So most of the exports are being done now from the chemical space from India to entire world. I would say not just country, it's to the entire world. So it was around 50-50 kind of scenario when China was trading. Now China has banned, and they are keep on reducing their share of chemical exports. So it came down to around 20%, I think so. And we are right now have upper hand in chemical space. So now we are producing around 30 to 40. All the international countries are reducing, and we are increasing this space. So uh, going ahead, this chemical chemical industries will be leading the uh, bigger and bigger trend and momentum. So you can see even this stock has. You can draw the price action first if you want to, or then you'll get some picture when to enter. So after giving this breakout, it touched the 52-week high, and then again it started giving us momentum. So now you can see after this on daily time frame, you can see after breakout, it has never came and closed. I would say closed, not just these wicks. Wicks are nothing but they are the buying pressure. So you don't have to worry about these wicks whenever it is falling. You have to at the end of the day you have to see if that has closed below 20 moving average. If it has closed, then you can exit the trade. Until and unless it is closed below this 20 MA, you have to be in this trend and you have to continue in this trade. So Deepak Nitrate is a short-term opportunity, and it can even go to a long-term opportunity as well, because there is no competition. Competition is like it is respect to the chemicals. Like each and every company has different chemicals which are being produced. They have their own chemicals. Uh, they are not competing with each other. They are actually producing different kind of variety of chemicals. So they are just competing in terms of profit, how much profit they are producing with respect to the sector, and because of that reason, uh, each and every company has their own advantage. So again, the contribution that they are making on chemical section, if they have margin on their products which they are developing, then they have competitive advantage. So and this way you can identify the stocks. And if you want to know more details, you can see here in the right side in the trading view, they have given us a lot of recommendations, the news and what's happening. You can go through those. Even during the COVID times, these companies are producing profits. So maybe for 3 months it has not received this kind of profit, but they are actually picking up in terms of sales, and now I think they are also into profits. So these are the strong momentum stocks which you have to ride with the momentum. And the Tata Chemicals, the Tata itself is a very big name brand, so you can never go wrong in Tata stocks. Uh, so you can see uh, after forming a big trend, all the chemical stocks have rallied very huge, but this stock has not gone anywhere from March to November. But after after around November 19th, you can see the stock has been in continuous up move around 3 to 4% every day. I was waiting and waiting for this retest level, like majority of the stocks do, but this has never given a retrace, and it was giving a 3 to 4% move every day. And you can see it has been continuously on this upper band. It is not even going below this upper band. Once it went into the upper band, below to this upper band, yes, you can see that the stock has been consolidating. So this is also one way of trade. Like once this narrow band is broken up, and this price action high level is broken, and you see that the close is above this band, you can enter here uh, at the close of this price on the next day, and you can continue to ride this. This is one kind of trade that you can do, but this is not that often. It usually happens inside at the most, but this is an exceptional raid that Tata Chem has made. And coming to chemicals, so these are the stocks that I, I would think that would benefit during this uh, chemical sector rise. So one first and topmost stock which has high profit margin and huge profits that this company makes is very high. So you can see it was almost around 193. Now it is 705. So this chemical sector itself is a very big opportunity to grab. And how we would ride, we can draw some pattern like this, and you can draw like this, or you can wait for another pattern to happen, because there are two scenarios here, and you can consider this. This is also an ideal scenario. This is an exceptional rate. This you can even consider this way instead of that, because this is one time ride and you can ignore those. But if you want to be on safe side, you can draw this here, and you can see it is almost reaching here to the support levels, and just wait and see few more days, and you can consider Deepak nitrate, sorry. You can consider this Deepak nitrates instead of orthodox. They both are into like chemical specifically. So, and the best advantage is with Aarti Industries and Atul. You can see Atul. This is also forming. So this has, okay. This has given us good opportunity to enter. You can see the triangle pattern has been broken. It has taken one, two, three, four supports and two resistances. And the good thing is that it has taken the retrace from here. So wait for this close, like a strong close above this line around 6.95. You can enter into the stock with first initial targets here 7032. You can once this is also broken, you can continue with momentum. So whenever you want to ride the momentum, then momentum or breakouts, just switch on this Bollinger Band. I have also made a video on this. Please watch that for better understanding how to ride the momentum. And let's go with other than chemicals. Okay, there is one more stock in chemicals, this Bala Mines. Uh, so you can see chemical specialty. Uh, Even this stock, you don't have to be in all of these stocks. You can pick one leader in this sector. So I placed almost all of them in order. You can uh, enter in any of these one or two. Two is also fine. You can also see this how it has. Best thing is that RT has not fallen much, but this has dipped to some level from 400 to 200, and then it rallied from 400 to 1000 now. So there will be some kind of consolidations now and then, because it has accelerated too much. So just wait for the right entry and opportunity. So, so the next sector is since the infra sector is picking up, infra and big mega projects are getting picked by infra sector. So Ultratech is a good edge in this cement sector. So you can see today it has almost yesterday I have posted this. It has given the breakout on the triangle pattern. So if you are not feeling comfortable in daily pattern, you can enter in hourly pattern like this, and you can continue to. So this is the first target, and it has given the breakout. Sorry. So this is the line since November, support line, and the breakout. So this was the time when I posted, I guess. It was around five, sorry, yeah, 5187 now. It has touched. I exactly predicted that to book a 50% profit here by using this indicator, which I have also made a video on this. You can go and watch. So once it has touched here, I know this is not going to touch this level because this is a big rally from here, and I thought that this is the end of this rally for now. And once it retraces from here to this level again, it can retrace to. So now it has retraced. Now I think it can move up. So this is the right point of entry and 5 to 5 9. See if this high is broken because previous day high is very important. If that is broken, then it can go to uh, new 52-week highs. And you can consider ACC as well. This is the most rallied stock. Uh, you can see. Let me change to daily, and it has been in consolidation for a while, and it has a wonderful rally from 1425 to almost 1700. So just like Ultratech, SEC also is a good company to invest in cement sector because cement has now advantage that because they are not able to produce the amount of demand that is there in the market right now because since 3 to 6 months there was no construction activities has gone up, so there is no production from the cement sector, and they are now charging more than what the usual cement cost is. It is an at all-time high, and because of that, government has also said to not raise the cement prices as much as now because right now the most majority of the sector has been hit by COVID and the lockdowns, and so the companies has to support the market so that it would there would be some improvement in the uh, infra space or even at the constructions level, housing construction. So that has given the advantage because of this. The demand is high, but the supply is low. So that is a competitive advantage. That is the reason why you can see that Ultratech and even India Cements is rising like anything. It was like almost 20% more in a single day. So these kind of things happen. So it rises again and it goes into consolidation. See if there is any consolidation and you can enter in even in India Cements. By to picking up the good quality stock, which is the quality stock HCCR. Let's go with the realty sector, which is Godrej Properties. So we also have other companies as well in the realty sector, but my preference is more towards Godrej Properties because these have very good business running capabilities, and looking at the uh, momentum, you can ride this momentum whenever this touches to the 20 moving average. So this way, this is the only stock which has been continuously rising. Rest of the stocks are like giving 10-15% rise in 1 or 2 days and falling from there. But this is like since it retest 944, it has never fallen down. So on 21st, except on 21st, there was some fall in Nifty, so that has contributed to this fall. Otherwise, this is the best stock to. These are like dynamic sectors. They take decisions immediately, and whatever the decision that they make, it will result in good uh, profits uh, in their companies. So, apart from that, food processing companies like Agro Tech, it is also one. Okay, I'm pausing it now. Let's go into the next video and see you there in part 2.